All right, let's get right into it. We're looking at a piece of tech that claims it can completely change the game for backyard stargazing. It's called the Unistellar Odyssey Pro. So the big question is, does it actually deliver?
First things first, let's just address the elephant in the room. That number, $4,599. Yep, that's a serious chunk of change, and it immediately brings up a pretty important question.
You know, is this it? Is this super sleek, super expensive telescope what the future of amateur astronomy is gonna look like?
Or to be a little more blunt, is it just a really pretty gadget for people with too much money? And that's really the heart of what we're digging into today. Is this thing a revolutionary tool? Or is it just a beautiful, overpriced toy?
So that brings us to our first section, the $4,500 question. Let's really break down what you get for that kind of cash.
Okay, so right out of the box, this thing feels, well, expensive in a good way. It's solid, made from aluminum and composites, and it's got some heft to it, about 14 pounds. But the best part? The setup. You literally just unfold the tripod, pop the scope on, and turn it on. That's it. You're ready to go.
Now, let's get to the main event, the whole reason you'd even consider this thing. Section 2, effortless cosmic views. This is the core promise of the Odyssey Pro. Jaw-dropping images with practically zero work. So one of the key specs you'll see is Nikon-designed optics. And look, that's not just some fancy marketing term. It means you've got decades of world-class optical engineering inside this tube. And the result is images that are way sharper and more vibrant than what you'd get from a cheaper scope. Then you've got the active tracking. Now, if you've ever used a regular telescope, you know the most annoying part is constantly having to nudge it to keep things in view as the Earth turns. Well, the Odyssey Pro just gets rid of that headache. It locks on to whatever you're looking at and just stays there, enhancing the image the longer you watch. And here is the real payoff. In most telescopes, a lot of those faraway galaxies and nebulae just look like, well, faint gray smudges. With this tech, it's totally different. You're actually seeing the structure, the colors, the depth. It's a whole other level.
Let me give you a concrete example. You point a pretty standard 8-inch scope at the famous Orion Nebula. What do you see? That gray smudge we were just talking about. Then you point the Odyssey Pro at it, and in literally 30 seconds, you're seeing vibrant greens and reds. I mean, the difference is just night and day. But you know what? Here's its hidden superpower. This is the real game changer, especially if you live in a city like most of us. It actively filters out light pollution. The reviewer was in a bright suburban backyard, pointed it at the Andromeda Galaxy, and could actually see the spiral arms. That is something that should be totally impossible without driving for hours into the middle of nowhere. It's just wild. So here's the bottom line. You're not just buying a telescope here. You're buying a fully automated, portable observatory. It's like having a professional setup that you can just toss in a backpack. Okay, but it's not all sunshine and galaxies. Like any high-end piece of tech, it has its trade-offs, and the Odyssey Pro has one big one that was a real source of frustration.
And that flaw? It's the battery life. I mean, for a device that's all about making things easy and immersive, having to constantly worry about your power cord is a pretty big buzzkill.
And here's the deal. Unistellar claims you get up to 5 hours, but in the real world, especially on a chilly night with all the electronics working hard, it was more like 3.5. Now that's not awful, but for a nearly $5,000 device, it feels like a pretty significant oversight.
All right, so how does the Odyssey Pro actually fit into the bigger picture? Let's take a look at how it stacks up against the competition.
So as you can see, it kind of lives in its own little world. It's nothing like a big manual scope like a Celestron Dobsonian, which is awesome for planets, but takes a lot of work to learn. And on the other end, it's a massive step up from a budget smart scope like the ZWO Seestar. That one's also easy to use, but the image quality just isn't in the same league. The Odyssey Pro is really trying to give you the best of both worlds. Serious power, but with total simplicity. And this really says it all. Comparing the images you get from a budget scope to the Odyssey Pro, well, it's like comparing a photo from a little point-and-shoot camera to one from a professional DSLR. They're just playing completely different games. Okay, let's wrap this all up. Let's get to the final verdict. Who is this telescope actually for? Who should spend this kind of money? You know, it really boils down to this. If you're an old-school astronomer, someone who genuinely loves the challenge and the ritual of manually finding things in the sky, this is probably not for you.
It might even feel like cheating. But if you're someone who just wants to see incredible things without spending months learning how, and especially if you live in a light-polluted city, then this thing is an absolute dream come true. So let's recap. What does that big price tag actually buy you? It buys you a setup that takes literally 1 minute. It buys you automatic tracking, real-time color views of things millions of light years away. You even get access to citizen science projects. Basically, it buys you that entire observatory in a backpack. I think our source summed it up perfectly. This isn't just a telescope, it's a time machine. It effortlessly brings the light from the ancient cosmos right into your backyard. Which brings us right back to where we started. When you have this much power, this much ease of use, all in a portable package, you really have to ask yourself, is the future of astronomy something that fits in a backpack? This telescope makes a very, very convincing argument.